Hello po sa ating mga teacher na gustong mag-apply for Teacher 2. Ito po ay sari class. Ito po yung NCOI annotation form. Sabi po dito ay accomplish the table below to show demonstration of the indicator. So ito po ay number 4.3.2. Adopt and implement learning programs that ensure relevance and responsive to the needs of all learners. So, lagay po nyo yung OB doon po sa inyo pong portfolio at description of the MOB presented, and maglalagay po kayo ng annotation kung ano po ba yon. At isa pa ay utilize assessment data to inform the modification of teaching and learning practices and programs. So maglalagay ulit kayo ng MOB. Bali 5 po ito sa Teacher 2. Build relationship with parents, guardians, and wider school community to facilitate involvement in the educative process. Siyempre, alam ko naman po na kaya po natin itong gawin. Then, isa pa is pang-4, comply with the implement school policies and procedure to consistently to foster harmonious relationship with learners, parents, and other stakeholders. At yung pang-5 ay ang ating participate in professional networks to share knowledge and enhance practice. So ito po yung gagamitin nyo pong NCOI annotation form para po makita or makuha nyo po yung annotation or 15 points doon po sa inyo pong NCOI. So yung pong iba pang mga forms ay akin pong i-share din dito at para makita nyo po, and kung gusto nyo po ay i-download nyo po ito ng form. So may pwede kayong humingi ng link sa akin kung saan po ito pwedeng kunin.